Welcome AI champs to your cool tech channel. Lovely to have you all here. So, let's talk about AI. It's everywhere. It's getting incredibly powerful, incredibly fast. You see these wild demos of what AI can do, writing code, creating entire videos from a single sentence. I could really use something like that for work, for my side hustle, for everyday life. But then you hit a wall. To build something custom, you have traditionally needed to be a developer. Know coding languages, understand complex APIs, spend hours, if not days, putting it together. It's a huge barrier. This complexity creates a gap. On one side, the immense potential of AI. On the other, most of us with great ideas, but not the technical skills. We end up using pre-built tools that are okay. They don't do exactly what we want. So, what if you could bridge that gap? Build your own smart tools without writing a single line of code? That's the core problem companies are trying to solve. Imagine creating AI-powered mini-apps just by describing what you want. Visually link AI abilities together like building blocks. First, read this document. Then, summarize it into 5 bullet points. Finally, draft an email with that summary and save it. This is the promise of Google Opal from Google Labs. Make AI development as easy as writing a list of instructions. No more wrestling with syntax or debugging complex scripts. Focus on your idea and the steps needed to achieve it. You become the director. The AI is your assistant executing the vision. Democratizes AI for teachers, small business owners, creators, anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. It's a huge step toward making AI genuinely useful for the rest of us. Yeah. Alright, so what is Google Opal, really? Let's break it down. At its core, Google Opal is a free AI super agent, but think of it as a no-code platform for building AI workflows. It lets you chain together different AI tasks to create a custom mini-app that does something specific for you. It's not just a chatbot where you ask one question and get one answer. Think of it like a visual flowchart for AI. You have a goal, like planning a trip or summarizing your unread emails. With Opal, you lay out the steps to get there. One step might be to ask an AI model to generate ideas. The next could search the web. Another compiles a table. You connect these steps, and Opal runs them in sequence, passing results along. It's all done through a simple visual interface. You don't need to be a programmer. Your main skill is explaining what you want in plain English. For example, read the following emails and identify the 3 most urgent action items. Then, take these action items and write a short, clear to-do list. Google Opal is a playground where you can build small, smart helpers, mix and match models, connect to real tools like your calendar or email, and build something useful in minutes, not weeks. Move beyond just talking to an AI and start building with it, easily and intuitively. To really get how Opal works: prompts, models, tools. A prompt is simply an instruction. The quality of your prompt drives the quality of output. An AI model is the engine, the brain. Opal lets you choose a model for each step. Some, like Gemini, are great all-rounders for creative writing, summarization, reasoning. Others are specialized, facts and data analysis, or generating code. Pick the right model for the right job for more control than single-model chatbots. Tools let your mini-app interact with the world and perform real actions. A web search tool pulls in live information. A Gmail tool can draft or even send an email. A calendar tool can check availability or create events. Other tools read documents, save files to Drive, and connect to more apps. Together, they form sophisticated workflows. Use a prompt to direct a model, then hand off to a tool to act. For instance, write a thank you note, then send it via email. One of the best things about Opal is its visual editor, your process as connected boxes. Each box is a step, a prompt, a tool, or a logical condition. See information flow and link steps by dragging outputs to inputs. Create linear chains or branching paths with smart conditions. No syntax to fight, just logic. Build with the speed of thought. Building your first mini-app can feel daunting, even with Opal. That's why one of its most powerful features is remixing. Find one someone shared, make a copy, learn how it's structured and prompted. Tweak outputs, add steps, like automatically saving to Google Docs. Debug by running sample input and watching each node's input and output. If something's off, fix that step. Rewrite prompts, adjust model temperature, add rules. Handle edge cases with simple conditions. Remix, debug, fine-tune, turn a rough idea into a reliable tool. Let's walk through a concrete example you could build in Opal. Step 1. Get user input, destination city, Austin, Texas, interests, live music, tacos, hiking. Step 2. Research and brainstorm. Prompt. Based on the city and interests, generate 10-15 activities, restaurants, and landmarks. Optionally add web search for fresh info. Step 3. Create the itinerary. Organize into a 3-day plan with 2 to 3 activities per day. Step 4. Create the packing list based on itinerary and typical weather. Run in parallel for speed. Step 5. Draft the email. Short, friendly invite mentioning city and dates. Step 6. Final output. Bundle itinerary, packing list, and email for easy copy or save. So, you can build these mini-apps. But why is this a big deal? Opal lowers the barrier. If you can write an email, you can write a prompt. Speed and efficiency. Idea to working prototype in minutes. Manual research could take an hour. Opal drafts in under a minute. Chaining and tools make apps more capable, like a team collaborating. Remixing fosters creativity and collaboration, accelerating innovation. It's experimental. Features change. Things might break. Don't blindly trust outputs. AI can make mistakes, hallucinate facts, misinterpret prompts, or leap illogically. Keep a human in the loop. Add review steps before sending or publishing. Mind privacy. Assume inputs are processed in the cloud. Avoid sensitive personal or confidential data. Treat it like any public cloud service. Review outputs and use responsibly. Head to Google Labs. You may need access or a wait list. Start small. Try a tweet idea generator. Input a topic. Prompt. Generate 5 short, engaging tweets about this topic. Run it, see results, add hashtags, change tone, learn fast. Browse the gallery, click remix, edit steps, break things, observe effects, sign in, start a new project. Pick a simple problem, build, iterate, share. You might surprise yourself.